do, 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 do. Oh, I'm here. I'm here, baby. Oh, have you guys not been hearing me? Y'all haven't been hearing me, huh? Oh, shit. Y'all haven't been hearing me till now, huh? Oh my gosh, my mic was unplugged. I was charging my mouse. What is going on? There we go. Now we're back, and I was like screaming at y'all. No one was responding. I was like, damn, I guess that's how it's gonna be today. We're not feeling the vibes.
What's up, Mr. J?
What's up, Greg? What's up, Brandon? How's it going? I was wondering why no one was talking to me. Like, damn, it's like that, huh? Yeah, it's like that. Yeah, I wasn't muted. My mic was unplugged because I was charging my mouse. All right, let's go. Welcome, Nustrat. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Mr. Gene?
Hello.
What's up, man?
What's up?
How's it going?
Good.
Thank you.
Cards with Riker.
What?
Playing cards with
Thank you for that, bro.
You're welcome.
Very much so.
Very much.
Mr. Gene just came in clutch with the coffee. Bro came in super clutch with the coffee. Dun, 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 dun. Still just ripping. That's crazy. And honestly, I don't see as far as higher time frame levels. Let's check this out from the 4-hour perspective. 22,050, 2221, 2280. Straight breakout. Straight nuclear breakout. Don't. How's your morning, Gene?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Good. Very good, very good, very good.
I woke up and not to my alarm. I thought it was like 8 in the morning.
Oh gosh. You were
My
probably
phone was
tripping.
dead. My phone was dead. I was tripping.
Hey, day trade doc, it's been really hot. It's even hot out there right now, huh, Gene? It's warm for a
It's
morning.
getting there. Oh yeah, it's gonna hit triple digits today.
Yeah, is it?
Yep.
No way.
Did you tell them what you had me doing out there yesterday?
What?
Biking.
Oh yeah, I took Gina on one of my intense mountain bike rides yesterday.
6 miles.
Over 6 miles, but in the hills. So it doesn't seem like a lot, but when you're in that Colorado elevation, you're going on a Jadon Hills ride, you thought Peloton hills were tough.
Dying.
Still moving up. How about them Pacers? Oh my gosh.
Question.
Poor OKC Thunder. Y'all got hit by the storm. Thunder more like lightning taking that booty out. You'd love to see it. I'm just happy we get one more game of basketball. Then we're stuck with freaking baseball. Oh gosh, I haven't watched a pro baseball game I think once in my literal entire life. I don't think it's ever happened. Not a pro one. I watched a few Nebraska baseball games back in the day.
I'm gonna make you go to Rockies game and stuff for that.
Why would I go to Rockies game, bro? We're like 10-200.
Honestly, they're only for.
Let's go, J-Dog.
Want to go to a Rockies game?
Sure.
Oh.
I like baseball too, but
I feel like I felt as if the only reason to go to a baseball game was if you're sitting there eating bad food and drinking. I don't do either of those. You know? So I just say, what do I got there now?
what's your next milestone for no drinking?
I'm on 13 months right now, and then July 5th will be 14 months.
Alright, so we'll celebrate 14 months by going to a game and drinking a beer.
What's wrong with you?
Tell them about you.
You're
and
silly.
beer.
What?
Tell them about you and beer.
Bro, I've had less than 8 beers. I've tried less than 8 beers in my entire life. I've never even had a full beer. I've never been drunk off beer. The only time I've been, okay, that's kind of a lie. The only time I've been semi-drunk off beer was, y'all are gonna make fun of me for this, but I'm from Nebraska, all right, so bear with me. But I went to this house party with some of my country friends, and there was some homemade beer there. I was like 17 or something. And so I might have had some home-brewed beer from some hillbillies in Nebraska. But besides that, I've not really ever drank beer in my life.
Get you a beer.
I just don't even like the taste, bro. I was always a poolside type of guy. Little tequila sunrise, you know what I'm saying?
Girl,
What's wrong with the tequila? The tequila sunrises are not girly, Gene. What's wrong with you?
they're girls.
Tequila sunrise is a man's drink. And they're for the ladies, a nice little tequila sunrise. You feel me? It's everybody's drink.
Get you some vodka.
All right. Let's see here. Let's see if we can get. Let's see if we can get a nice trade in. We got our low marked out, likely our high marked out. Our pre-market high is, well, interesting. Our pre-market high is right near where we are now. 100 area. Pre-market low is low too. Let's see. Need some moonshine. Y'all are crazy. Yeah, so my I don't have a ton of great conviction right now either way, guys, just to be completely honest. We're pumping up. We don't have any clear supply or demand anywhere near. Have we moved down to 6,020s on ES for SPY? We got, a little something we could see for a bounce. 595 area. It would take a ways down. As a reminder, TikTok and YouTube, make sure if you guys haven't already, you tap in. I have a ton of value right here on YouTube. J-Dunn Trades. If you're on the YouTube Live, make sure you subscribe. If you're on the TikTok, make sure you tap in over to YouTube. Hit that subscribe button. I'm also live there. Have a free 90-minute masterclass, tons of free course videos that are more valuable than most of these courses these guys are selling you. So tap in. Appreciate y'all using code JDUN. Discount code JDUN on Apex and Tradeify, my two preferred firms. Choose discipline over dopamine. Use code JDUN. I got you, baby. I'm going to do my best to help you all pass your challenges and get paid out. All right, our range is set. Jadon, I was talking to you last night. If you were talking to me on Telegram or through DMs, you probably weren't talking to me, bro. That wasn't me, my friend. I was looking, so on the screen share, guys, I was looking for a potential longs entry in this area. Let's see, 2073, 41. We're 50% retracement here. The trend has been up. It looks semi-decent. We'll see how this candle closes. I'm not completely opposed. I'll let you guys know if I try. It would be lighter. We have our 50% retracement there. I just want to see a little more confirmation if I'm going to enter. So I'll let you guys know. What?
Looking at shorts?
I was looking for longs on the pullback, but I'm not taking anything. So if you're looking for shorts, you rip them. You like your shorts, you rip them. I'll be in full support. I got to see more confirmation if I'm going to try any longs. That's why we wait for the confirmation. Bust right through. The 90-minute free class is crazy. Really putting us on. Thanks, bro. I appreciate your feedback. I'm glad you guys like it. Just a reminder, it's on YouTube, Jade on Trades. Yeah, close below that. No longs for me, guys. No longs for me. Even if longs played out, no longs for me. Because it doesn't fit my system. It doesn't fit my system. Let's see here. What level are you watching for shorts, Greg? Anything in particular?
I was looking 097, they rejected. The only reason I didn't take it was this big drop. You may make me laugh. But it's working so far from 097. Let's see if they do any kind of retest. That's why I got. What's my reason to don't enter the big web? So what is OPEX? We're making one.
Short weeks have always been a little tricky for me, so I'm staying extra cautious. It's been a little tricky for me, so I'm gonna stay extra cautious. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we get here. We're gonna get the ultimate reverse orb. Ultimate downside orb. You hear Brando Commando?
Yeah, just trying to figure out my accounts.
Oh, I'll text him for you.
I think I figured it out.
Oh, did you?
I think. Hold on. Yeah, if you guys didn't know, I gave Jade on my account logins and blew them all. Every single one.
Okay, let's see.
See if we can enter show around. Okay, price action.
I need to get my phone charger. Hey, Gene. Hey, Mr. Gene. You got the phone charger?
Yes.
Could I get that, please?
We got it right.
Oh, thank you, sir. Oh yeah, that's good. Just put it right there. Cool. How do I? Oh, there we go.
Wow, what is that all?
I know.
I'll take that with email.
There's two. Oh, we didn't close that where I wanted to, so we'll see. We'll see what we get. We'll see what we end up getting. I'm still not fully sold quite yet on the downside. Not quite yet. All right, I'm gonna get some water. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get the music playing too. Get the music. You know, pump it up. Some water. You want to be right back? What's up? What's up? All right, there we go. 40 points. Let's see. We went down from 40 to 11, 30 points. Still just staying patient, y'all. Still just staying patient.
It's been slow.
Yeah, discipline over dopamine or discipline or regret, your choice. It's facts. Higher volume, higher wake up. All right. Let's see. This is typically a sign on screen share I like to see for reversal. We have higher volume in the 5 minute. We also have an aggressive wick to the upside off a support of 22,000. So that alone right there is going to make me a little more cautious when we come retest this potential downside. Or we've also moved, if you remember my 40-point rule, we've moved 40 points from this low. Not saying we won't reject this low right here, but I'm saying it's higher risk. So I'm going to be a little more cautious in any sort of entry that we see near that. I'm not a fan of OPEX either, so I'm being very cautious. Didn't reject off the low. We hit 30. The 15-minute low was at 40. So even if we had hit that low, which we didn't, I still wouldn't have tried it just on the touch. Gotta stay patient. No trades for me yet, everybody. No trades for me. Sometimes I hate being disciplined. It's not easy to be disciplined all the time, that's for sure. That's for sure, bro. As a reminder, right, here's the deal. On YouTube, if y'all get this live, there's only 215 people in here right now, but if y'all get this live to 200 plus likes, that's all we need today. I'll give away a funded account to someone. In some capacity, we'll give away a nice account to someone on YouTube. If you're on the TikTok, we have a lot of people here. Head on over to YouTube, JDUN Trades. We live stream there as well. The giveaway will be on YouTube. On YouTube. You should all be subscribed there anyway. I got a ton of free education. JDUN Trades. We'll be full screen next week too. Would you rather me interact with chat and sit here and talk to you and play shoots and ladders and have fun and play patty cake? Or would you rather me trade and make you money? Your choice. Like, you know what I mean? I'm trying to find y'all winning trades, man. When market slows, I'm happy to answer questions in chat, but right now I'm focused on trades. I don't typically love OPEX. We'll see. Come on. So now what I'm seeing, until we break and hold this 22,040, only thing I look for is shorts down here. Until we break and hold and trend up here, the only thing we look for now is shorts. Failed this reversal candle here. Aggressive push down, higher volume. So that leads me to believe we can look for shorts on pops until we break above here. If we break above this level, then there's a chance we start trending back up and follow the pre-market trend. Halfway to our white goal on YouTube, 200 plus likes, we'll give away a funded account. Make sure you guys are subscribed too. I have a ton of free value in here. My 90-minute masterclass I just uploaded is incredible, has a ton of value. I highly recommend you spend some time watching it this weekend. And as always, I appreciate you guys using code JDUN when you're trading on Apex or Tradeify, my two preferred prop firms. Code JDUN for best discount. I will not allow OPEX to fake me out. How much the win streak was. I cooked my win streak last week. Or not last week, on Wednesday. We're back to 0-day win streak. Yep, time to start a new win streak. Not sure we'll overtop the 60-plus dayer again. Maybe we will. We'll see. $100-day win streak. That'd be crazy. That'd be 5 months straight of winning trades. I did take a trade on Wednesday. I took two. One was technically green, we'll call it break even, and one was a loser. There's been no shorts for me because we haven't had a deep enough pullback for it. I guess pull up, you could say. That's a tough structure. So I don't see anything that fits my system right now, guys. I mean, technically speaking, we had 2 reversal candles here with higher volume on this, but I still can't justify longs, and we didn't get enough pop up for me to go short. So, still nothing for me yet.
I'm feeling like this.
Those shorts and green eyes went nice. Holy shit, that's exactly why, based on those candle structures, I wasn't willing to go long. If we would have gotten a little pop up more closer to this green line, could have gone short for me, but not this low.
Yeah, I just what's a little to go shorts. Let's see if we can take longs at this level. 909 daily level. Let's see what happened here. 909.
Green eyes had a really nice short entry. Great job. Just nothing, huh? Huh, Mr. Greg?
This is a liquidity soup. They recognize in 993.
Trying the longs?
Yes. Entry 911 to 198.
Windows would be great, but with options, where my demand?
All right.
Y'all gonna make me enter too.
We have buyers out here.
Add for the downline.
Nice.
3 minutes on headlights.
Nice job down there.
Thank you. Stop loss out recurring. 911. 21, 911.
She's just guessing and gambling. You're clearly new here.
I already came some.
Yeah, try my options on this pop up too.
Nice job, Greg. Nice job, Brandon.
Thank you. Let's see. Right now we are between levels 97 and 45. 9 daily levels. We need to break this guy. Make this trade huge. Good trade. Break 945. And we have problem up to nearly 097 again. But we need to break 945. Stop loss slightly in front. Big trade or small trade? Come on. Come on, break it. Break it. You see, we bounce at 97, 95. So 97. Bounce in, now it's getting strong. Let's see if we can break this 945. We are between these two main daily levels. Two references. Break these guys. Maybe a big back. Don't do it. Remember they have 93, 97, 95, so now we're off to 3, just hoping to break 945. If not, stop in profits or retrade forward.
Let's go, guys. I'm gonna try to scalp to the upside too. Try to scalp to the upside, guys. See if we can break 43. Come on.
Yeah, I really like that balance we have.
Come on. This is the spot to trim from 1 to 1. That's what I wanted to see. Come on.
Let's go.
If we can clear that 60-40, we should push.
When I say scalp, I'm just going for 1 to 1. This is the 1 to 1 spot up here, guys. This is the 1 to 1 trim spot up here. Right here for longs, guys. This is the 1 to 1 trim spot. If you want 1.5, you got to break above 50, but 1 to 1 is up here. So 43 to 46. For scalping, stops seem to be break even, or at a little less. You could say like 27, perhaps. I'd like to see it for 1.5 R plus, a break above 50. Come on. The 5 minute looks good. Just keep breaking up. Just a reminder, got to trim off at 1 to 1. I'd like to see us keep moving on up. Not sure we're gonna get it. We'll see. It's OPEC, so my expectations are low. Entry area was around here, so get your trim off. Feel free to stop. At an absolute maximum, if we want to give back your first trim, you can keep your stops at 16 or so, but that's the absolute last case scenario of stops. The trade is not valid whatsoever below 16 to 17. 1 to 1 trim stop can be around this area. If you're looking for long, your stops have to be at 17. Hard stops have to be at 17. That's the absolute worst case scenario for anyone in longs. We break below 17, we like to see a flush lower. Whether we go higher after that, I obviously don't know, but probability speaking, the point was to have that higher low and then keep breaking up. I like to see continue to move higher to 50s, personally.
Breaking. Breaking in full flat, baby. Come on.
As a reminder, TikTok and YouTube, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that follow button. We are live on both, but YouTube is going to be the king of the streams very soon. So make sure if you're on TikTok, you migrate over to YouTube, JDUN Trades. If you guys get this live on YouTube to 200 likes, we'll give away a funded account. 20 on YouTube at the end of the live stream. Well, you can also join Team Bull on our free Discord. So you get access to our free Fridays. You have all the premium features right now. If you want to hear Greg, the rest of the team, join the free Discord. You can message me on Instagram at JDunTrades for that invite. JDUN Trades. There's that 1.5R. There's that 1.5R. Nice early entry on that, Greg. Very early entry, bro. It's money bags.
See, they bounce at 899, 20 points exactly from my daily level, liquidity, normal behavior at these levels. So they recovered 909. That's why I took the 18 ounce. Normally at these levels, daily levels, they like to do 20 points liquidity, so that's what I wait. Wait for these liquidity stream. Take a couple of level, that's a good signal. That's what I have learned experience in these levels. Aiming to, it's gonna make it what? It's gonna aim for 0.97.
That is exactly what we wanted to see.
Yes.
Oh, we break the structure too. You might get mega trade. So far, so good, YouTube. So far, so good. TikTok, make sure you guys hit that follow button. Tap in. We trade live every single day. Long entry was solid.
Who's making money? Who's making money? Anything else? Yeah, guys. The guys that worked with me in the class, master class last night. Remember what I explained?
Show that man some love.
About 20 points liquidity. There you go. That's what happened right now with the insurance.
Greg with the massive trade. J Down with the smaller long trade. Let's go. Spot on from the master class inside the Master Mentor program. Let's go. She made some money with Greg or myself. Give it a W.
Yep. Okay, guys, I'm perfect. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Crazy engagement. Crazy engagement. Okay, let's see. Man, that's another complete district from 909. Maybe. But I'm not gonna take another trade. I'm going for $2. That's a good trade. Good one. So, OPEX.
You out of here, bro?
Yeah, I'm going for today. Take care, man. Have a nice weekend. Have a nice weekend, team with family. Enjoy. Study, practice. Get ready for next week. Get ready.
Aggressive short.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, don't take care, man. Bye-bye.
See you, man. Adios.
Peace out, bro.
Yes. You random. Okay, bro. Good man.
Don't da da don't da don't da da don't. Rose said had been trading for 44 years. That's crazy. And then there was two. And there was. Are you leaving too?
Yeah, I got an appointment I have to go to.
Dude, what kind of appointment?
Don't worry about it.
That is the biggest. Oh, I gotta go. Cap.
Why are you being so nosy?
Where's my BSI?
I don't know. Got lost in the mail.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did they change the colors on Discord?
No, I don't think so.
It's like completely different.
Oh no, I think you're tripping, bro. You have an eye appointment?
That's next week.
Oh
Yeah, they did change it.
no. Did you get into the mushrooms in the backyard again?
Took my day off yesterday, bro.
You accidentally have a little L tab sitting on you.
Look at Big Joe's name. That shit's glowing.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
What are you talking about?
Same with Carlos.
Bro, what are you talking about, bro? There's nothing different with Discord.
You gotta update yours, bro.
No.
Yeah, see. It's not just me.
No, I think you're tripping. Discord, you're supposed to go with me. I'm trying to mess with Brandon. Y'all are ruining the joke. You're supposed to be on my side, guys. I'm trying to do my job as a professional gaslighter, and everyone's ganging up against me. Yeah, it's a new feature they gave us. I thought it was cool to make everyone's names glow. Excuse me for trying to poke a little fun.
We don't have fun in here. Not allowed.
No, not for you. Certainly not for the commando of the Brando.
What? I'm gonna dip on out of here.
You out of here?
These are. See you guys next week. Peace.
See you, bro. Dun, 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 dun. Bless you, Gene. Jeez. 4 in a row. Why you take no trades, bro? Lots of opportunity. Because it didn't fit my system. All I need is one. I did take a trade, and I got a solid 1.5 R out of it. For a 10-point or whatever risk, we got 20 plus points. I don't need to catch 100 plus points, guys. That's not what I need to do. You don't have to catch 100, 200 points every day. If I can catch 20, 30, 40, 50 points a day with solid risk reward, that's profitable. I gave you guys the trade earlier. What are you talking about? At 30, we went from all the way at 30 up to 64. If 30 plus points isn't enough for you with 10, 15 points of risk, I don't know what to tell you guys. This is not the channel for you. I don't know. You guys need to be in the free Discord if TikTok's not efficient enough for you. You can message me on Instagram at JDunTrades. If you want access to the free Discord, there's no lag. We're on Zoom. JDUN Trades. Send me a DM on Instagram. Frig, I want to go short so bad. Just wanted a little more pop up into that previous aggressive candle. I will not go short and be ripped to shreds on an aggressive pop up, especially with how aggressively we moved pre-market to the upside. We're into a big demand area down here. Sweep up. As a reminder, TikTok, make sure you guys are all subscribed on YouTube. JDunTrades. JDUN Trades. Make sure y'all are tapped in, subscribed on the YouTube. I'm live streaming there as well. If you're on the YouTube, appreciate y'all being here and subscribing. I think today's going to be a good rest of the trading day. Honestly, if we don't slow down, come on. I'm certainly more interested in shorts than I am in longs. That's for sure. Totally. Just not on the breakout down. Dun. Come on. I don't want to move up. Come on. Just hate our bottom line here. That lowest break is 800. I probably don't like. Otherwise, I'd be looking for a shorts entry in here with stops above this wick high. The risk reward just isn't super great. Oh, come on. I'm gonna miss this. It's gonna flush this 800 and I'm gonna miss it. Yup, there it is. Man. Man, just wanted a little more move up there. Are you talking about trading against the trend? Looking for shorts? Are you blind? All the haters come in here, yet none of them have been profitable for over a year. I've been trading for 9 years, profitable for 6 years straight. I don't know what these haters think that they're trying to accomplish here. Didn't you see the big move down, J-Dunn? There's so much opportunity. Motherfucker, you're on a TikTok live hating. Shut up. J-Dunn, how could you not seen the equilibrium of the PO3? Bro, shut up. What are you talking about? I made $700 in my first trade that I called out live for like 5,000 people today. I'm chilling on real money. Real cash money. Unreal. If you're looking to make 700 to 1,000 rackos a day, you know what to do. Hit that follow button, hit that subscribe button. I build profitable traders. That's what I do. Of real money. Of real moolah. I help people get paid out. Gene has had multiple payouts, and he trades with me every day. That's what happens. When you trade with Jay Dunn, you get mentored by me 1v1, you get payouts. That's just what happens. I don't make the rules. It just happens. The real dinero. I got you. I'm a little annoyed I missed that the last pop-up though. I was for sure if you could see on screen share, I wanted to see us retest this low right here on this pop down. If we got closer to this 58, that was what I was looking for shorts. We just didn't quite get there. We were about 15 points away. One trade, winner. Greg, one trade, winner. Still moving down. Ooh. What's up? What's up? What's up? How's everyone doing, Team Bull? See if we get a reversal here. Or the whole site number. 1,800. Closed above there. Would have rather seen more volume. Nigel, that's a great job. Killing it. killing it. It's giving me the same vibes of slowing down on the acceleration of the downside rate. It popped back up. We bounced 800, so we'll see how this next candle forms. We'll do here. All right, y'all. I'll be right back. 2 seconds. Sorry, Mr. Gene. Okay, no, backup account's not me. It's not me. Those guys are sneaky, bro. Those fakes are sneaky. Those fakes are sneaky on TikTok. That's crazy. Bro got up the sec. Bro's just sitting here waiting. Where can I learn as a beginner? Try my YouTube. JDUN Trades. All right, let's see if this gives us an entry. we get a small pullback, last thing I'd look for with these candles here is longs. Reason being is that we're breaking the structure. We'll see if we can continue this upside volume. Only thing I see for reversal, if we're gonna go shorts, I mean my entry have to be way above, so. Come on, give us a little pullback. Give us a little pullback. Not gonna do it, huh? $61. Come on, give us the pullback. You look at it from a perspective of high reward, low risk. The reason I like a long continuation, unless we get to some point where it makes sense to take a reversal, we don't have our 50% retracement until 950 already, and we already had an aggressive reaction off this level. So we'll see if somewhere in 920 to, I guess we are at 880 if we make some lower high here. But for now, I'm not seeing it. Oh, come on. Discipline. That's right. Discipline over dopamine every day. That is correct. That is correct. Oh, still no new trades for me. Some days you just gotta call. We'll see. I'm gonna chill out for. We've been here for 2 hours. We'll see. Just one trade for me so far. You don't listen to the fake accounts. It's really gonna get that move up, huh? Well, you know the accounts that are real and fake versus the ones that are real, me on this YouTube, TikTok, my verified Instagram, the only place I answer DMs is I'll never message you first. I won't ask you to deposit or wire money. And I won't ask you how your trading's going, this and that. I just don't love you guys. I care about y'all, but I won't do those things for your protection. Oh, we're gonna keep moving up, huh? I'm here on Zoom. Man, it's gonna give us that move up, huh? Come on, give us a little more pullback. I will test longs if we get a pullback here. I will test the longs if we get a pullback here. Break of structure. I'm gonna try a baby piece. This is super high risk, around 900. But for breakout, 9, hold on, I got my finger on the trigger. I'd like to see, ideally, move back down to 8 or 980. Hold on. Finger on the trigger. Finger on the trigger. Finger on the trigger for the longs. Baby piece added. We'll add again at 980. That's the, or 80. Excuse me. That's the main add. And stops below 60. That's why I like the 880 add. Is it has a little less risk, but I did try a small piece, guys. I tried a small piece of longs. I'd like to see it move up to 950, ideally. Measure it like this. Try to high risk piece around 900, at 900. I'd like to see 880. That gives you better risk reward, but for ideal ads with half size or quarter size, whatever you have at the high risk ad, you can have a little more risk. So say call it 30 points of risk, 40 points of risk. I'd like to see a 30, 40 point move up. If we fake out, I do have hard stops in at 60. We could very well continue the trend down, but I like our odds given that we broke the structure down with increasing volume. So it's worth the risk to me. It is OPEX though, so it's known to be on some games. The only risk here with the breakout of structure is that this ends up being the lower high. But I do like how we broke out of this with volume, so that's why I tried the piece, the smaller piece. Up 15 points so far. $16 points. You can feel free to manage how you see fit. I'd like to see more, but manage how you see fit, guys. I'd like to see us really continue up. If you want to take a green for the day, high risk ad, I'm okay with you taking it a little earlier too. So just manage how you see fit. We are green on the trade, 15 points. Candle's looking good. I'd like to see more. 20 points now. 20 points for everybody. Manage how you see fit, guys. I'm gonna take a little bit of the baby position off, guys. I already had one green trade earlier, and it's OPEX quad witching, which already messes with my psychology a bit, so it's smaller, but I'd like to see us continue up with the rest of it. I'd like to see us move to this 950 area. That's the ideal price target. I think we can get there, but just in case took a few off in this area, I'm gonna let the rest ride, or we'll stop likely at 890. So we'll be barely green on the trade. The rest will get stopped below the entry. Why are you trading trend lines? You're up 20 points on the trade. Why are you complaining? Hit that follow button and learn something. You know, we broke out a structure. Who cares if it's a line that says it? We had higher volume, high aggressive candlestick, took the entry, we're up 20 points. Who cares if it's a trend line or whatever line tells us? So far, so good. Keeping my remainder stop at 890, so 10 points below entry. Bro, can you not? Are you retarded, bro? I entered at 900 and it went up to 920. That's 20 points, bro. You gotta do the math, my dog. 900 920 minus 900, what is it? Say what you want to say, but again, my trades have solid risk reward. You go up 15, 20, 30 points. If you have 10 to 15 points of risk, that's positive RR. You do that 6, 7 out of 10 times, you're profitable. Yet 95% of traders aren't profitable. I've been profitable for 6 years, been trading for 9. What ain't mathing for you? What ain't mathing for you? Doing it live every day. 20 points with one mini is great money. That's $400 a day. 20 points with one mini is $400. Still in this, guys. Still in. We didn't go down and test our entry, and my stop is 10 points below entry at 890. 890 is my stop. Did I ascribe you to a T, super cool guy? Again, you're up 18 points. I'm not stopping until we break this candle low. 990, this is my stop. This candle low 90 is my stop. Get what I'm saying? Got 2 winning trades. I don't care if they're not 100 points. It could go 100 points. It might not. It's OPEX. I don't know. All I know is I can manage my R multiple. That is all I do. So if you're looking to manage your R multiple, have more wins than losers, this is a good stream for you. Get what I'm saying? Let's get it moving. Let's keep it moving. But you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. No, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Oh no, other way. Other way. I follow my plan. Hard stop on the rest is still 890, so it'll be slightly green, pretty much break even, but still slightly green. You manage your plan that you see fit. I'm giving it a little room to 890. Still, even with the rest getting stopped there, still a positive risk trade. 10 points of risk for 20-point trim. Come on. The hard stops are at 890. You can stop, yeah, if you want to stop on profits, do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Thank you. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. It was all right. See if we can get more. I'm still in, guys. Still in my last NQ. Nothing changes for me here. Plan stop is 890 on the rest. Or we get my price target up here around 50s. If I hadn't have trimmed, I'd like to have my stop still at this 900, but I would be bummed if I let it float an entry area and stop me out and then ripped up to price target up here. If we go below 890 and then rip up, I followed my plans. There's no FOMO there. If I don't follow my plan and it goes in the direction I want it to, then I have some FOMO. I care more about following my plan than I do making money, if that makes sense. Because I know that over time, following my plan over a long period of time, I will make more money, even if it means missing a trade or two or getting stopped on a trade or two. But I'm still in these longs, guys. Still in these longs. Arguably speaking, not saying to do it late, but if you did want to try longs, if you enter at 900, 910, you stop up below this 893, looks like a decent trade too. That's your choice to make. Again, I'm personally not buying here, so I'm not saying I'm buying here, but it's an option. That's your decision to make if the risk is worth it for you. I had a better entry down to that 900. Stops below 890 now. Chilling. No dopamine over discipline. I want discipline over dopamine. Hard stops are in, so if it goes down, it will stop me out at 890. Ugh. Don't do it. Don't do it. Appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, if you're trading on prop firms, Apex or Tradeify, make sure you use code JDUN, discount code JDUN for the best possible discount. I will always do my best to help you guys learn, make progress on your accounts. Man, just a reminder, hard stops are at 890, guys. I really wanted more for this trade, but I got to follow my plans. Even if it would sweep me and then rip, that's completely okay. Completely okay. Oh, it just stopped me, guys. Stop my remainder runners on that sweep at 890. It could rip up here, but that's not a risk I'm willing to take. Not a risk I'm willing to take, guys. Not a risk I'm willing to take. Maybe the JSI fires and it rips, but that's completely fine with me. I gotta follow the plan that I had. We're still ending today. Let's see what we're ending today. 17, 175, just under $1,000 total. Under a racko. of real money. I like the guy's emphasis on plan that doesn't have any edge regardless. So funny. Oh my gosh, these guys are literally silly. I got flagged on the last time I said something, so they're silly. You're silly. We still got a profitable trim in there, and if it would have kept going to my price chart, it would have been like a 3R trade, but I follow my plan, and if we end up ripping downside, I just saved all that risk. That's what I look for. So far, it's exactly why I follow my plan, guys. I knew that if we broke that 890, we likely accelerated down. That's what we're seeing. So, you know, technically speaking, a lot of times in the past, I would have had, all right, I'm going to stop here, but then I wouldn't, and it'd be sitting down here. I'd still be in my losing trade, and I would have went from that one profitable trim up here to a losing trade now, a decently red trade down here. That's how I look at risk. I'm chilling. You are not in the right stream if you think I just take it from the haters, man. I'm telling you. Not in the right stream. If you dish it, you got to get it back here. My psychology is great. So I'm green almost $1,000 of real money. Again, I do this nearly every single day, guys. Nearly every single day. Nearly every single day. In front of you guys. 2 winning trades, regardless if they get stopped out early. 2 winning trades, guys. 2 winning trades. I'm chilling. Jade on the few that are real. Yep, we're vibing. We're great. Let's go, Eric. Discipline over dopamine. Let's go. All right, there is one more setup I somehow like. Same thing we just saw to the upside, but to the downside. One more thing I like, guys. I do like how that short setup looks there. I do like how that short setup looks. I can't even lie. Invalidated the longs. Lower high confirmed. Aggressive volume. If we get the pop up again, I will give it one more try. Between 875 and 890, but stops have to be above 912. Honestly, it looks decent. Then if we trend up from there, I'll know, you know what? Gotta be done for the day. It does look halfway decent though. It would follow a trend. I just can't take it this low. Come on. Smallest size possible. Next pop up, I'm trying MNQ shorts. $50 to $60. Smallest size possible. Next pop up, I'm trying MNQ shorts. If you want a really high risk entry, you can try around here. Just, I want to stop above 912. This looks like it can trend back down to low a day. Willing to give back a little of the daily profits. It's OPEX, so even just being green, I'm content with. Totally. Try to just in case position of MNQ at 50 for short. Be as small as you can possibly go. I'd like to see if you want my ideal ad at 70 to 90. I'll add up to a mini up there. This is the area I like for the baby just in case ad. Did try it, guys. Tried the shorts up there. Tried the shorts. Again, lower size so I can stomach more risk. I will still be green in the day. So you guys are aware. I just promise you guys if I took something, I'm gonna tell you. Up just under 1,000 in the day, so I'm willing to go down to, call it $400 or $500. On my first ad, it's not for a while. It's such a small position, I have double the risk on it. Typically, I want 20 to 30 points of risk. So in this particular trade, I'm willing to go above 900. I'd like to see more room, technically speaking, ideally move more up so I can add more, but I did try it in the 50s as a just in case we keep trending down from here. So right now, if you're on the screen share, it looks like this. If we get the move up I want, it would look like this. But for now, it looks like this. If we end up breaking out and then getting another move up, then I would just be wrong. I'd still be green in the day and be done for the day. That's how I look at things. That's how I look at risk. I make it a mission though. Make it a point that if I am green, I don't give that back. So if you don't have any green, your best bet would likely be a one MNQ down here maybe, and then ideal entry is up here around 70 to 90 because you only have 20-30 points of risk to follow this trend back down. But And I did try it for the 100th time in the 50s.
Mysterious regions of the universe, where stars are dying out. Masses swirl to the depths.
That's the beauty of playing with smaller size is you can stomach a little more drawdown, letting your trade breathe. I call them just in case positions. I always keep hard stops in, guys. Even on my baby MNQ positions, I always have hard stops or emergency stops in. Just in case we could have news at any point. Maybe Trump backs off on tariffs and it rips. Well, I'd rather stem the bleeding of a rip than just let it go 100 points and I say, oh shit, I'm down bad now. Well, I mean, with that small of a position, you can't be down too bad, but you get the point. Oh. Yeah, this market has about 10 more minutes max from me. Regardless, it's going to be a green day, so we're chilling. It's a matter of is it less green or is it more green? That's the best spot to be in my opinion. It's where discipline has to come in. Even if I lost this trade, I'd be 2 for 3 on the day. Which means we'd restart the win streak, baby. Let's go. As a reminder, guys, appreciate y'all being here and hitting that follow button, hitting that subscribe button. I trade live for y'all every single day. What's up, Brett Simba? Y'all need to be trading with Tradeify. I keep telling y'all, use code JDUN on the best, the undisputed world champion of straight to funded, which has some special updates coming. I don't think I'm at the pleasure of saying them, but just know Tradeify has got your back in the coming days, weeks, and months. Make sure you use code JDUN, JDUN. Yes, and I'll be on Tradeify TV. That's right. 30% off all straight to funded accounts, and they have evals, growth, and advanced plans. Make sure y'all tap it on TikTok and on YouTube to Tradeify. Got the CEO in here typing. They're a firm you can trust to pay out. And above all else, they have the fastest payouts in the game. There's no one that pays out faster than Tradeify. Tap in, tradeify.co, use code JDUN, and let's go. Yes, live on Tradeify TV. Live on Tradeify TV next week. I don't care what TPT has. I'm saying Tradeify is the place to go. They don't have straight to funded though, do they? No, sir, they don't. The only straight to funded y'all should be trading with is Tradeify. That's it. The discussion ends there. Paid out like $45 million, something crazy right there. There's no catch. You use code JDUN, you get 30% off. I get a small kickback from that, but as always, I'll do my best to help you guys learn and pass your challenges or get funded and make progress on your fundeds as well. I always say when you use code JDUN, it represents discipline over dopamine. Code JDUN. Man, they're gonna really stop my entry, huh? Bro, this is a scary short. Why is it scary? I mean, even if it's slightly red, my risk is managed. I'm already green for the day. I know that if we go stop me out on this, that I'm still green. Even let's say I wasn't green. Let's say I was break even right now. Let's say this is my first trade and I'm red. No trade should be scary because your risk is already defined. If you're scared, you don't know what your downside is. And that's a problem. You have to know what your downside is in any trading situation. Not the direction I want to see on my micros, guys, but I'm still in. This was the main area I liked, 70 to 90. And if we break this to the upside, then I've just been wrong. We went up from that 55 area all the way down to 40, but with more risk on the table, it didn't make any sense to trim. So I'm willing to give back a few $100 of profit to potentially double my size there, or double my gains. So it's OPEC, so I honestly have low expectations. All right, guys, 70, mid 70s to 90 area. This is the area I liked originally. So if you're not in, you want to chance at the lower high. This is where you look at it, but stops must be above 912. Must be. I did add one more piece, one more micro there. If you break above 912, I'm donezo for the day. Giving back some of my profits, and I'm gonna go rip probably an arms day. I'm thinking arms. I'm just gonna just torch my biceps and triceps. Gonna add my last piece to my micros with hard stops at 912. There we go. So we can get more push down. You'd hope so. And that's why I said the main ad area for less risk was up there closer to 90. Because then at worst case, you only have 20 points of risk. Best case, we get low a day, you have a massive trade. That's what I like to look for. That ad up there was great, guys. That ad up there was great so far. We'll see if we can get some continuation down. This candle looks decent so far. If you guys took that ad up there as the main level, again, you're up almost 30 points, so a little less, 25 points or so. So you can manage how you see fit. You're over 1R if you waited for the higher probability entry. I'd like to see us just nuke this downside though. Continue this trend. That's what I'd like to see. If you want to minimize your risk a little, you can move your stops now to 890. I'm actually going to do that too. I'm going to move my stops now to 890. And let's see if we can get more upside. Let's go. That ad was beautiful, guys. Let's go. Come on. Flush down. Flush down below these lows. Come on. Flush down below these lows. Come on. I want to flush these lows. So now, technically speaking, this is our oh, that candle looks good. This looks real good, guys. This looks real good, guys, on the screen share. Come on, don't do OPEX activities. Flush it down for us. No, don't bounce the 50. Flush it downwards. Come on. Flush it downwards. No, opposite way. Now, honestly, even if this trade does end up stopping me, I'm super cool with it because this is exactly what I wanted to see. I'd love to see a flush below this 50. Come on. Come on. I have not trimmed any yet, guys. I've trimmed none. Manage how you see fit. We're still moving down. I'll trim if we break below 44. All right. I said it. I'm trimming a fourth off here, guys. A fourth off here. Took a little off. That means stop loss moves up. I want more, though. I won't low a day out of this. I promise you guys I will hold part of my position until low a day. That's a promise. Come on. Let's keep moving down, guys. Perfect ad up there. Almost 50 points from that ad up there. All right, trimmed off half. I'm leaving the other half. I'm moving my stops now. Moving my stops now to entry. My stops are at entry, guys. My stops are at entry. Let's let the rest ride. Let's go. We up, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! I appreciate you, Brett. CEO of Tradeify in the house, baby. Let's go! Yes! Yes, yes, yes. Why are the haters always so quiet after winning trades? Come on. Stops are moving to break even, guys. Thank you, Green Eyes. Appreciate you, bro. Stops are at break even, guys. Stops are at break even. Did any of y'all catch that? My break even now is 882. My stops are actually at 70, so they're a little above break even. But like I said, I added on that pop up. That's the plan. That's what I try to teach you guys every day. Is that when I add smaller and I leave room for my main ad. Therefore, the risk is already calculated in. So now we're chilling. We have great ads. You let the trade play out for you. If it goes to low at A, great. If it stops us out, okay. That's what I'm talking about, guys. I'd like to see low day still. I still want to see low day. But we got our risk reward on the add up. Technically, it's at 8. There we go. Did anyone live with Team Bull take that? In the Discord, y'all take that?
That was very cool.
You see that, Gene?
I think.
That was nice, huh? Anyone still here trading with me this late on OPEX? My stops are still set, guys. I'm not selling early. If it stops me out, it stops me out. My stops are at 870. 870.75 to be exact. Well, you guys have the right to ask if it's funded or live. Totally. I'm trading on live right now. It's not an issue. If I trade on funded, I tell you, but I prefer trading live capital. The only reason, I'm gonna be very honest with you guys, the only reason I've traded on fundeds and shown you guys I can get paid out is because for one, I have partnerships with these companies. And so it helps I show that I know what I'm doing. And for two, I have a lot of my students trading on funded, so I like to be able to show, hey, I can do this. I can help you with this. And so I do it for social media, but honestly, guys, I mean, I've been trading my own capital for 9 years. This 5 minutes not looking great, guys. This candle right here, screen share is not what you want to see. We'll see. My stops are still set, so we're chilling. Here's what's gonna happen. All right, as my stops are set, I'm just gonna let this thing chill and move down, or it's gonna stop me out. I'm gonna go enjoy my day. Appreciate y'all being here. Make sure if you haven't already, you tap in, hit that follow button, hit that subscribe on YouTube. If you're on TikTok, make sure you guys go over to the YouTube, JDUN Trades. And live there, we're going to be full screen next week. JDUN Trades on YouTube. I want all you guys for your homework this weekend to go watch the 90-minute masterclass. That's your homework. You got one piece of homework, YouTube. It's to watch the 90-minute free masterclass and report back on Monday with your feedback. Reminder, guys, my hard stops are still set, so we're chilling. I'm still in the shorts, guys. I haven't been stopped out. Hits my hard stop, I'll be out. The hard stop's in the green, so we're chilling. Glad we got that back. 2 for 2 in the day. Come on, give us new lows. Give us new lows. Come on, we want low a day. Our stops are set. We're chilling. We're letting the trade work for us now. Hey, trade, guess what? You work for me now, baby. That's the mindset I want you to be in, is we're not managing trades from a losing standpoint. We set our hard stops. We see where trades technically aren't valid. And then we manage our trades from a winning standpoint. So it's much more fun that way. Don't you guys agree? Wouldn't you rather be managing winning trades versus stressing about where you're going to cut your loser? Or is that just me? Because that's how I be thinking with my trading. I'd rather manage this and decide, all right, we'll trail my stop or do this versus, oh crap, it's moving against me. Where do I sell? Where do I sell? It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And that just stresses you out. That don't do anything for anybody. As a reminder, if you guys enjoy, if y'all enjoy the education here, make sure if you're trading with Apex or Tradeify, use code JDUN. Get you the best possible discount. Apex right now is 80% off. Tradeify is 30% off. Choose discipline over dopamine on this side. $25K payout. Hopefully in next week. All from trading with Jay Dunn. To go. Thank him enough. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you more than you know. We're still hanging on. Our position is still alive, baby. 70.75. Our position is still alive, baby. We're still mobbing. We're still mobbing. We're still mobbing, baby. I'm gonna say what's up to the YouTube quick. What's up, YouTube? Appreciate y'all being here. I'm excited to be full screen share with y'all soon, Monday through Wednesday. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you tap in, hit that subscribe button. Your homework this weekend, YouTube, is to watch my 90-minute masterclass right here on this channel. I want you guys to be disciplined over dopamine, focus, trade smart, trade safe, and make sure y'all have watched the free masterclass by Monday. You have 90 minutes. I want you to set aside 90 minutes this weekend to watch the YouTube, get yourself educated, and put the work in. That's my only ask of y'all. I'll trade live with you guys. I'll help you guys focus, help you guys win. I do my best to give you guys the best trades I can. Need y'all putting in the work too. Watch the masterclass. I promise you'll get value from it, and we'll talk on Monday, all right? About that at least. If you guys are looking to support as well, make sure you use code JDUN on Apex, Trader Funding, or Tradeify. $80% off Apex and 1 day pass using code JDUN, 30% off Tradeify. Oh no, no! I tried so hard and it stopped me out. 70.75 was my stop. So, I mean, technically speaking, my average ended up being, I got my final ads up near 882. So, could have kept it break even there, but I just got stopped out, everyone. So, that is going to end my trading day for me. Appreciate y'all being here as always. Team Bull. We're ending the day. 1,000 plus on the day. $1,000 on the day. We're below 1,000 before. Over 1,000 now. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So appreciate y'all being here. And I will not be around for Power Hour today, Team Bull. I'm gonna go hang out with my buddies for lunch. Some of my trading buddies. Maybe I can get Brandon out of the house. Come hang out. Glad we could catch a winner today, fellas. Glad we could catch a winner today. Brandon said I owe him accounts. That's crazy. That is crazy. That is crazy. To lose it all. All right, y'all. I'm about to get out of here. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. Let's go. Hey, you guys are all so welcome. Glad we could catch some winners together. Sorry the first one wasn't very solid, but the second one was baller. What's Gene doing? Who are you talking to, Gene? Who are you talking to, Gene? Oh, you guys did hit 200 likes. Oh, shit. You guys did. Woo. All right, Team Bull. What do we do every Friday in the Discord? Who's still here with me? When Jadon makes money, what happens? What happens when we make money together? Who can tell me? We give back. We give back to our community. That's what we do. Well, none of the prop firms were gracious enough to give me any accounts this week, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'll take it out of my own paycheck. So, let's see here. Let's see here. We're going to give away... What should we give away today? What should we give away today? We should give away. Big Zo says just send it to him. Bro said a Lambo. Bro said a Lambo. Yeah, just give away the Team Bull tank, the Urus. Give away the Urus. All right, let's see here. Here's the deal, TikTok. I'm doing one giveaway inside Team Bull, and even one giveaway to the YouTube. So if you guys want to be a part of the giveaway, either A, go to the free Discord. You can DM me on Instagram for it at JDunTrades. Or B, you can go to the YouTube at JDunTrades. We trade live there too every day. Make sure you guys subscribe. So again, fastest way is probably go to the YouTube, JDunTrades, and watch the live there. And also make sure you subscribe while you're there. I'm going to end this TikTok in 10 seconds. You can head on over to YouTube, JDunTrades, JDUN Trades. I'll put it on the screen. There we go. It's on the screen. Heading on over to YouTube. It's on the screen, guys. You guys can go see it right here. 131K, 132K subscribers. I'll see you guys there. Trade smart, trade safe. God bless y'all. Peace. YouTube, I'm not going anywhere. Head on over to YouTube. Peace. Okay. Bro, the Humble Honda. I put too much. You know how much full transparency. I had only really had oil changes the past like 8 years, or however long I've had it, 8, 9 years. Bro, I went and got that thing inspected. I just put another $5,000 into that car, bro. After the almost $2,000 for tires and tires and wheels. I put maintenance in just to keep the humble Honda alive. I put like $7,000 in the last month. We keep that car alive, baby. We keep the humble Honda alive. Yes, sir. I just put the giveaway on the admin floor. And you got to be live here. You got to be live with us. Got to be live with us. So do we do, here's what you guys get to decide, is do we do one person to win, say, a straight to funded account with Tradeify, or do multiple people to win a few evals? Think multiple people? Okay. Well, let's do the growth evals. Those are a little more friendly than the advanced. The advanced is tough. Lose it all. Let's see, the 50K times 0.3 and 150K using code JDUN ends up being just less than $100. So maybe we'll give away 3 evals. We'll give away 3 50K evals, which I mean I'll just send you the bread for them with the trust and integrity that you guys will spend your $100. Use code JDUN on Tradeify for 30% off and lock in your 50K growth account with Tradeify. So let's go ahead here. Let's go ahead and pick the first one. All right, let's see here. Let's let it load in 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's stopping. It's Asinine 09. Asinine 09. You have 60 seconds to DM me. Clock starting now. Asinine 09. Must be live, member of Team Bowl. Clock started. They got 30 seconds to reply. Appreciate all y'all being a member of Team Bowl. Tick tock, tick tock. He's got 20 seconds left. He's got 20 seconds left. He's got 20 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and expired. Got to pick a new winner. Got to be here live. All right, we click again. 3, 2, 1. Average Joe 2062. Clock started. Clock started. Clock started. You got 50 seconds left. Come on. Clock started. Tick tock, tick tock. Tick tock, tick tock. Tick tock, tick tock. 30 seconds left. And they're not responding again, guys. They're not responding. They're not responding. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Better luck next time. Gene, we've had 2 people
For what?
not be live for their giveaway.
Just give it to me.
All right. Try again. 3, 2. Tell me when, Gene. Tell me when.
Stop.
Oh. Okay, we have Frankie Boy 81. Clock started. Frankie Boy 81. Clock started. Clock is started. A third one, please. Frankie, my guy. Be here. 45 seconds left. 45 seconds left to send the DM.
This is the third person?
Third person.
Oh man.
No one wants money.
You guys are slacking today.
No one wants the bread. 30 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. Expired. Better luck next time. Oh my gosh. 3 in a row. What is happening? Timo, what is happening? 4th one. My goodness. All right. 3, 2, 1. E.keys 33. Clock has started. E.keys 33. Clock started. Oh my gosh. E.keys 33. Please be here. How do we have 4 people still not potentially responding? How is this happening? Still nothing, guys. How is this happening? Oh, here, let's go. Let's go. We finally got ourselves a winner. Please send the Venmo or the PayPal and make sure to use code JDON with Tradeify. Okay, growth. Let's go. Let's freaking go, my friends. We finally got someone. Finally. After all this time. We finally got a winner. Okay. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. All right. Here goes nothing. Here goes nothing, Team Bull. 3, 2, 1. It's still rolling. Okay. Tyrell 4. Tyrell 4. Clock started. different does that mean? Clock started. Clock started. $30 seconds left. Oh man, what is happening? Do we have another no call, no show? Hope y'all do this. Don't do this at your daily job. Come on. We're inside the Discord doing these. YouTube will have yours next. We'll do one person from the YouTube as well, but right now we're in Team Bull. Come on. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Better luck next time. All right, this is getting ridiculous, guys. I got to go to the gym. Can y'all please be responding? Does no one want $100? Is $100 now what it used to be? Why ain't no one want $100? What's wrong? We hit a nice, solid trade. Your boy made some money. We want to get back, and ain't no one want it. How? Absolutely absurd. All right, let's try again. 3, 2, 1. It's scrolling down. Daryl LLZ. Daryl LLZ. The clock is started. The clock is started. Okay. Clock is started, Daryl. Oh, yep, he's here. Boom. Right off the rip. Right off the rip. Daryl gets it. Come on. That's what I'm talking about, Daryl. Finally, someone wants $100. My goodness. It is unbelievable. Nobody wants their money. No one's coming to collect. Ain't no one coming to collect. All right. 3, 2, 1. All right, we got Forgiven Felon. Hey, that's what's up. Forgiven Felon, man. To turn the life around. Clock has started. Hopefully you can respond, get him. Oh, damn, my man messaged me first. Okay. Let's go. We got the 3 winners chosen. Thank you guys so much for being here. As a reminder, with Tradeify, code JDUN will save you 30% in offer. Extra discipline over dopamine. 80% off Apex. Love to see y'all learn, level up, and win. Let's go. Congrats to the winners. We'll do it again next week. Do it again next week as well. Run it back, Turbo. Run it back, Turbo. Run it back, baby. All right, y'all. Team Bull, it's been a pleasure trading with y'all. Glad we could catch 2 winners. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you guys next week. Adios, guys. Have a great rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you guys later. Peace. And then there was you two, which someone said I'm clapped, bro. We sold down here. It technically should have looked like this because we went back to break even. So should have looked like that. We've been sold. All right, YouTube. Here's the deal. Oh, whoops. Oh, his name is Weird Clapped. It's like, I don't want to clap, bro. You're clapped. All right, YouTube. Here's the deal. I can see this here. Okay, got it. That's how we're going to do it. All right. I'm going to pick one person from YouTube chat. Make sure you guys are all subscribed. You've got to be subscribed, which you should be anyway. I have a ton of free education for y'all. Yeah, let's go. And all right. Type me in the chat if you want a Tradeify eval, a growth, 50K. I'm going to have Gene pick one person. It's not up to me.
I get to pick?
You tell it when to stop. The YouTube chat's going nuts. Tell it when to stop.
Stop.
All right. It's Adam Strike. Adam Strike. Adam Strike. I need you to DM me. I have your profile screenshotted. Have your name, username screenshotted so I know who you are. DM me on Instagram at JDunTrades. JDUN Trades with proof of your profile. I got it on my end too. I'll get you your Tradeify 50K growth using code JDUN for $100 right now. Thank you guys for being here. Trade smart, trade safe. Appreciate y'all rocking with Team Bull. And I'll see you guys on Monday, all right? God bless and peace. Have a great rest of your night. YouTube's a little slower, so I gotta let it chill. I'll see you on Instagram, Adam Strike. Or if all y'all have questions,